Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about transferring funds from another brokerage to Robinhood. The short answer is yes, you can transfer your investments from another brokerage firm into your Robinhood account. This process is typically done through the Automated Customer Account Transfer Service, or ACATS. The ACATS system allows you to transfer eligible assets like stocks, ETFs, and cash from one brokerage to another without selling your positions. You have two main options for the transfer, a full transfer or a partial transfer. A full transfer moves all eligible assets and closes the account at your old brokerage. A partial transfer allows you to select specific assets to move, leaving the rest in your original account. To start the process, you usually initiate the transfer request directly through the Robinhood app or website. You will need information from your current brokerage account, such as your account number. Be aware that your current brokerage may charge a fee for the outgoing ACATS transfer. Robinhood often offers to reimburse this fee for qualifying transfers above a certain value, so check their current policy. It is important to ensure your account types match. For example, transferring from an individual taxable account to an individual taxable account. Transfers usually take between 5 to 7 business days to complete. Also, confirm that all the assets you want to transfer are supported by Robinhood. Some assets, like certain mutual funds, may not be eligible. If ineligible assets are part of a full transfer, they may need to be liquidated, which can have tax implications. After the transfer, it might take additional time for your cost basis information to arrive from your former brokerage, which is important for calculating gains or losses. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.